Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to network. I'm your host, Spioga Mokeleni, and I'm also Spio Matswani. Mapuana?
Sure.
Mnandi?
Number one.
Izo. Mapuana, let's talk about the game here namhlanje.
Yes.
Whereby Kaizer Chiefs was playing against Saudi Pro. Kaizer Chiefs scored the first goal in 14 minutes, which local people corner. It was created by Mfundo Vilegazi. The boy scored, and as Kaizer Chiefs,
Who scored Mfundo or two?
Korewandile Duba. He scored because of he was the striker. Alandela Asandile Velepai. Asandile Velepai. My bad. So the came second half, they scored in 82 minutes. This is the very same thing that we see. Chiefs, even the last match, scored in the first minutes, 77 minutes, the team scored. So what's your take regarding how Chiefs is playing?
Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us your comment and your like.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. No, simple things, my guy. This is pre-season.
Yeah.
I'm not taking anything personal.
Yeah.
Even if they had lost, when you said that you don't want them to lose, because they lost the previous pre-season with Nabi.
Yeah.
Now, maybe there's an improvement because we throw away 2 games.
Yeah.
Firstly, we battled Rangers, battled Spain. If you look at how Spain was playing against France, dominating the game.
Amen.
Dominating the game. They play with them. If Chiefs can get less spirits as Spain, I'll be a happy man. But other than that, good that Wandile Duba got a goal.
Yeah.
Good that Silva got a goal. I'm a striker.
Goal.
Yeah, Igodaro, yeah. Scored a very good goal.
Yeah.
Scored a very good goal, turning not.
Luckily, Mtetwa didn't pass back.
But you saw his weight. Did you see that he's a bit overweight?
Yeah.
You saw him?
Yeah, you take a sip.
You saw that he's a bit overweight. He's been eating inyama every day. So yeah. Anyways, so I'm happy that Igodaro got a goal. Yabo? Igodaro. Sega khona kusho ukuthi injury yayi sega sharp manje.
And I said, somebody commented, said, yes, welcome back, Igodaro, and stuff like that. I was like, my man, I get you. We are all excited, but it's pre-season. Come, let's see him go PSL.
I want to see those goals in the PSL.
Yeah, I also want to see that.
Happy that you scored a goal.
You want to see more goals. You don't want to see one goal.
So at least Igodaro ukhona, uDuba ukhona, Silva ukhona, Umayo says 4 strikers. But I still think that we need one more.
Yeah, definitely.
But on the basis of the game, you can't see the game gahle because Chiefs, the media team, they don't even take us one camera and one mic. Like Orlando Pirates broadcasted on YouTube, like Rangers got their own camera that day. Stop a clip, go my TikTok, go my what. Ah, my God.
Somebody may shooting a phone.
Somebody may shooting a phone.
You should see that.
Yeah, but okay. Yeah, it's good that they got a draw. It's good that they have a preseason. So they'll be having their last game in 18 and then they come back to South Africa to prepare for the Toyota Cup. What's your take on the preseason so far?
For me, so far, I'm happy that Amachita are able to score. And I'm happy that the coach will change my players. And he's learning the players in terms of wanting to see the players because of I think, in the first half, the certain players badlalai, second half, there's also certain players badlalai. So meaning maybe he sees where the mistake is because of Ibola was asking Nyintwana who's playing professional. He said sometimes Ibola manka to core, you somehow defend.
That's
automatically.
It's natural, yeah.
It's natural, I'm sorry. But Mapuana, if we want to contest with bigger teams, we want to contest international, we want to play international, we should play in a standard Salaman Lababazala international because of after them scoring 1 goal, they get the motivation of them wanting to score more goals.
I'm not disputing that, but they were playing a good team. Not a good team, but they were playing a team in a proper league. That's a Saudi Pro. In fact, they played Rangers, which is Scotland. Then they played Saudi Pro, Ronaldo, Mane, Benzema. You can name them, the players that are playing in that league, young Chol.
I understand, but you must also understand, Guti, there's a FIFA World Cup that is playing. So some of probably players, Balapa, they just took, look at the last season when they played. They played a second division, team, but they lost. But I'm impressed with this now, them throwing, but we want to see them winning.
Yeah, I understand your point. First of all, you have players who are overweight, who have not been playing soccer. They have money.
Release.
They need to get to the fitness level first.
Release those players. But I understand that.
They were my guy, those guys, they were leave. They were released overweight, they leave.
Mapuan, we are playing a you know, I remember.
Why do you have pre-season?
Listen,
you have pre-season so that you can get fit.
I hear. I'm saying, Guti, do you know, you remember a video or not? When he bashed who's this lady, Uriana, said, you cannot be fat. You cannot have that weight while we celebrate. So I'm saying, go, if you are playing a professional soccer, always keep your weight because of it. That's your money.
I'm not disputing that.
It does not mean Gucci season my pelile, then when you should eat and do whatever.
I'm not disputing that. Sometimes they eat the same way they are eating every day, whether the season is on or off. But the difference is now they are not running every day. You understand? The difference is that this guy has not been running.
They eat too much.
Yeah, those guys have money to eat. Look at
Ochale when he stopped to Glala. Look at the way that he came.
Of course, because now he's no longer running.
He's no longer running. He's exactly. He's now relaxed.
So Ox, bonke labantu. I'm not that I speak. I'm speaking for Ox. He will become fine. Bazoba sharp labantu. Bazoba grand. Let them. That's the purpose of preseason. Babuyele back to fitness. So we are hoping that they get back to fitness quickly. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please drop us your comment. 1-1. We're playing in the Saudi Pro League team. So yeah. See
stop instead of the game. But the game is just that the problem. The only thing that we see are clips. So we also can see the entire game. We see how they play. The only thing that we can comment on, we can only comment about with those clips that we see. So drop us your comment with the clips that you have seen. Uguchi, what's your take? What do you think? What do you think the Amachita they need to improve on? Are we also, when you go to PSL, are we going to see this 1-1? Or do you want more goals? And which players would you like Kaizer Chiefs to buy also? Yeah.
Tango, love and peace.
Love and peace.